Hello, hello. Okay, so welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm gonna show you how to make some smothered onions and fried pork chops on the stove. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's do it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And do me a favor. This is the word of the day. Let everyone know about the channel over here that you like, and suggest to them that they might want to come over and check it out and subscribe, because why? You like it. That's the word of the day. Tell somebody, will you? Alright, let's do it. Okay guys, I have some olive oil in the frying pan here, way down there. Not much. Just to coat the bottom of the frying pan. Okay, and this is, believe it or not, one large onion cut up. Pretty big, right? Okay, so we're going to saute the onion first. So I'm going to just drop it in. We'll wait till that catch up. Meanwhile, while we're waiting on our onions to catch up, let's season our pork chops. So I have two very large pork chops here. So I'm going to use some Larry seasoning. Granulated garlic. Granulated onion, some ginger, okay, let's turn that over. I'm going to do the same thing. Larry seasoning, granulated garlic, granulated onion, and ginger. Now I forgot some black pepper. Let's get that on there. Okay. So I want to wash my hands, and I want to turn the onions down some. I have it on 3. Okay, let's season our onions with the same seasoning, granulated garlic, Larry seasoning, onion, black pepper, and some ginger. Alright, I'm going to put the top on that, and I'm going to let that cook for about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, our caramelized onions are done. Let me show you that. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to cook our pork chops. Let's add some more oil. Enough to coat the bottom. We're going to put the chops right in. Turn our fire up a little. Okay, so when I get ready to turn that, I'll bring you back. Thank you. Okay guys, so now that I have browned the pork chops on both sides, I'm going to put it in the pan and put it in the oven on 400. As you've seen, they were really big pork chops. You could almost make 2 out of each one. So I want to make sure that that is done through and through. So I've already browned it, which is the taste I was looking for. Now I'm going to put it in the oven, and we'll be back when that's done. Let me give you one word of the day. Love. The word of the day? Love. Love one another. That's the word of the day. Okay, so I'll bring you back when they're done in the oven. I'm thinking around maybe 20 minutes. Okay, thank you. 400 degrees. Alright. Okay guys, our oven fried pork chops are out. So let me plate up with the sauteed onions and let you see that, and I'll take a taste for us, okay? Thanks. Look at that. How about that, huh? Okay guys, that's what we're looking like. Okay, so we got the oven fried pork chop with the sauteed onions, and this is some vegetable rice that I cooked in a previous setting. You can go check that out. So let me taste. Well guys, it tastes just like I've completely fried it on top of the stove. So you remember I browned it on both sides on top of the stove first, and then I put it in the oven on 400. I like it, and I did that because it was so big until it would have took a long time to cook on top of the stove. So I achieved the same goal in the oven. Okay, thanks for hanging around. Share the video, give it a thumbs up if you like, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Check out my links below. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.